You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name correctly, a name of French origin. If you want to learn more confusing French names, stay tuned. Many useful ones at the end of this video. In French, Poilievre, including, or in Canadian French, pois, lièvre, Poilievre, if you cannot pronounce French perfectly. In English, the pronunciation is as Poilievre, Poilievre. Some say it as Poilievre as well. In French, Poilievre. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.